Alright guys, so in today's video, ever since I bought this Vrod, at about 40 miles an hour, see the handlebars shake? This is the second bike I've had do this. I bought used. So we're going to see if we can't tighten up the neck bearings and fix this shake. This is the before. We'll fix it and see what it's like after. Alright guys, so as you saw in the video, I got a little shake in the Vrod front end. I had it on the red bike back there too. When I first got it, I was actually riding it home from Tampa where I bought it, about 2 hours away, and yeah, I would hit a certain point and the steering would just start shaking. I was like, what the heck? So it ended up just being that I needed to tighten the neck bearings. So that's what we're going to try to do on the Vrod and see if that fixes it. So on the red bike, all I had to do was pull this off, loosen the pinch bolts, pull this here off, and then tighten the nut down. So the Vrod, I'm going to say, is the exact same way. As you can see, right here is the cover. Right there's the cover to the nut. So it'll probably be tighter than that. I already had mine loosened up. Pull that off. You can see the nut that's going to need to be tightened right there. But before you do that, you want to loosen these pinch bolts so it can actually tighten up. Otherwise, it's not going to tighten anything up. So let's loosen these pinch bolts, tighten that bolt down, and then take it for a ride. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little tab that it's going to have to be bent off. So you're going to have to pry that off with a screwdriver before you can actually tighten this. I'm not gonna be able to get a socket on it, so here you go. One size fits all. Alright guys, really important. Don't forget to tighten up those pinch nuts before you, those pinch bolts before you take it for a ride. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna take it for a ride and see if it worked. Test it out. No shake. You guys see that? Shake's gone. Shake. Alright guys, that took care of my little bit of shake. Pretty simple repair. Just don't forget to tighten everything back up. And thanks for watching. Time to ride. Alright guys, if you like videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, have any comments, leave them below. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And of course, you can ring that bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. And remember guys, Don't leave it in the garage. Take it out and play with it. See ya!